Alright, so this is Boeing 777 Emirates flying to Singapore this evening with Emirates airline here at Phnom Penh International Airport. Let me walk this way to see you can see more planes. There you go. So this is EK349, go to Singapore, and then they're gonna let some people off and then allow other people to get on, then continue its route to all the way to Dubai from Phnom Penh International Airport here. So they have like an hour and a half layover in Singapore, but the same flight number EK349 go all the way to Dubai with they call it a technical stop or a commercial stop to let other passengers who go into Dubai from Singapore to get on, and for those who are traveling to Singapore from Phnom Penh to get off. So my next flight is in the morning. I'm flying to San Francisco from Singapore with United Airlines Boeing 787 Dreamliner tomorrow, but this one is Boeing 777 Emirates here at Phnom Penh International Airport, flying to Singapore. Flight time 2 hours ish from Phnom Penh. Then we'll have about maybe 6-7 hours layover in Singapore, and catch my next flight in the morning to San Francisco. All right everybody, hope you all have a good day now.